How to set ChatGPT as voice assistant. Hello guys, welcome back in today's short video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a voice assistant, a voice control on ChatGPT that is not available right now. What I can do is ChatGPT, as you all know, is a dialogue. You can add your query and it is going to answer that. But the option that is available is only you can type the query or prompt you want to add into ChatGPT. But if you want to add a voice control in ChatGPT, this is what you're going to do. I'm going to share it very quickly, so let's get into it. So first of all, after this is my ChatGPT, and as you can see, I don't have any voice control or any mic icon right here. What you need to do is you have to first of all install a Google extension. For that, go onto your Chrome and search for voice control for ChatGPT. Search for that, and there's going to be a Chrome extension, voice control for ChatGPT, Chrome web store. Okay, open that. Okay, so here you can see that you've got your extension. Okay, voice control for ChatGPT, add to Chrome, add extension. Okay, so here you can see that the voice controller for ChatGPT has been added. Open this plugin and open these extensions. Go on and pin the voice control for ChatGPT on top. So you can see that it has been added. So now go on to your ChatGPT, reload the whole page, and you're going to get this mic icon right here, which is English. You can change the language from this option right here. You can add any language that you want to speak in, and ChatGPT is going to recognize that. And from here you can skip and read aloud, and from here you can toggle and read aloud, and from here you can basically, these are all the settings of the mic. You can see you can read aloud speed 10, voice preference is Google US English. You can display use compact interface, hide voice control. You have keyboard shorts, which you can basically change. You can press and hold space. You can press escape or Q to cancel a transcription, press E to stop and copy the transcription to ChatGPT input field, etc. So after you can see the settings, you can just click on this mic and how to add voice extension to ChatGPT. So it hasn't added it right now because I have a mic connected to it, but when you are going to speak something that without this extension, without this added mic, so you're going to basically, it is going to read it right here, and you can enter the prompt by giving it a command through your voice control. So this is how you can add voice control into your ChatGPT. This was it for today's video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.